Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to mute on Microsoft Teams during a call or meeting. Muting is a super helpful feature to avoid background noise when you are not speaking. It ensures a cleaner, more focused conversation, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. So, let's get started. First of all, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Once you are signed in, join a meeting or call that you are part of. Once you are in the call, look for the microphone icon at the top of the screen. This is the mute button. To mute yourself, simply click the microphone icon. It will show a slash in the microphone indicating you are muted. This is helpful when you are in a noisy environment or when you don't need to speak. When you are ready to speak, just click the microphone icon again to unmute yourself. You'll see the slash disappear, signaling that you are now unmuted and ready to talk. If you are in a large meeting, it's a good habit to mute yourself when you are not speaking. And that's it. Now you know how to mute on Microsoft Teams and keep your calls quiet when you are not speaking. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.